Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to mention an Instagram story after posting. So as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile and I have already uploaded a story on my Instagram. So if I tap on my profile, you can see here that we have our story here. So how can we mention someone in the story after posting? Okay, that's pretty simple. We're gonna simply tap on our profile picture again, and here you can see the option of mention. So from here you can use that option to mention someone in your story. And the second option or the second way of doing it is also simple. You will simply click on these three dots, and here you can simply click on add mentions, and you will also be able to mention the people on your Instagram story. So I'm gonna do the mention from the first way. Click on the first one, click on add, and we have mentioned the user in our Instagram story. So to confirm that, we're going to jump into our another profile. So here, as you can see here that I'm into a different account and I have been mentioned in their story. So basically, if I tap on this, the story is of our original account that we have been using here, right? So this is how we can mention in Instagram story after posting. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.